今天又跟着车友出门了。本来只是2个人要去飞飞空拍机，后来又有其他车友也跟住一起乱入，行程也从原本的200公里变成300。只有我傻傻的什么都不知道，就这样跟住走，要去哪里也都没问。没关系，反正往前骑就对了。
There's a beauty in the way you're worn and the sharpness of your thorns, so vibrant in the imperfections. In the pain there's something real, all that anger so concealed. Still you're lost in how to feel, just let me hold that severed heart. The pieces feel so cold. All the tears won't bring it back to life. But hate will always grow. There's a beauty in the way you lay and the way your color fades. You stand out now with your imperfections. Oh, it was never meant to fall apart. It was not supposed to cause us harm. But these days, all I do is wonder, is it better now that we can start again? 'Cause in the pain there's something real, all that anger so concealed. Still you're lost in how to feel, just let me hold